Hey friends! Where are you watching from? I'm excited to show you something really special, a rooftop aquaponics garden I designed and built for one of my clients. And guess what? It's been running beautifully for over 5 years now. This isn't just a garden. It's a peaceful ecosystem right in the middle of the city. The system includes a 300-litre fish tank, 6 media grow beds, and 2 deep water culture beds, all neatly arranged on a small rooftop greenhouse. We use tilapia and red tilapia, but you could also raise koi or other freshwater fish. Water from the fish tank carries nutrients to the plants, and the plants filter the water before it flows back. It's a closed-loop system. Depending on the season, my client grows a huge variety of herbs and vegetables: kale, basil, peppermint, lettuce, cabbage, tomatoes, even rosemary. We always recommend growing a diverse mix of crops. Not only does it give your family more to eat, but it also helps keep pests away naturally. Some insects love a specific plant, but when you mix in fragrant herbs like basil or mint, their scent acts as a natural deterrent. In the grow beds, we added red wigglers, compost worms. They help break down solid waste and turn it into rich nutrients. And the magic really comes from the beneficial bacteria. They convert ammonia from fish waste into nitrates for the plants. Together, worms, fish, plants, and microbes form a living ecosystem. One of the best parts. This garden isn't just about food. It gives the whole family a place to relax, reconnect, and learn together. I've seen the kids in this family understand nature better just from watching this cycle. Fish produce waste microbes and worms process it. Plants absorb the nutrients. Clean water goes back to the fish. It's a mini version of nature, powered by sunlight, water, and life. Now I know some of you love vegetables and feel bad eating the fish. That's okay too. In fact, many of my clients raise fish just for joy, like pets that also help grow your garden. But if you do choose to harvest them, you'll have fresh, clean, protein-rich fish, no antibiotics, no chemicals. With over 10 years working with aquaponics systems, I can tell you this. You don't need a farm to grow your own food, you just need the right system in the right space. Whether it's your balcony, your rooftop, or your backyard, there's always a way to live more sustainably. Thanks for watching, my friend. If you enjoyed this tour, hit like and subscribe for more sustainable living ideas. Let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? Would you like a system like this for your home? Let's keep growing together for a greener, healthier future. Herb Droplet Sun with Face.